Okay, so now we'll be doing 2021's question. This was the question. 3 part 2019 2019 is divided by 10. What is the remainder? Now, this if such numbers are given, we need to always remember the cyclicity, right? So, what does cyclicity mean? If you don't know, please go ahead and watch a video. The cyclicity of 3 is 4. So what I did was I then tried to bring it into this term. So 2019 I divided by 4, which is the cyclicity of 3, and I got this. So then thereby this will be negated, this will be remaining. 3 part 3 is remaining, that's 27. So 27 divided by 10 gives me 7 as a remainder. So if you know the concept of cyclicity, it's going to be super easy for you, otherwise not. So that's that. Then the other question in 2021 itself was this divisibility. The number is divisible by 7, then what is p? So I'm not sure what exactly. Yeah, you need to know the divisibility of 7. All right. Um, 1 second. Okay, so divisibility of 7 is this. Uh, so this is the number 1071. We have to check the divisibility by 7. So 107. You're supposed to take you're not supposed to take the last digit, and you're not supposed to take the unit digit, and the rest you're supposed to take. So 107 minus 1 into 2. Then apply BODMAS, and then you'll find this, and then the answer is 0. So since 0 is divisible by 7, thereby the number is divisible by 7. So that's how you check the divisibility of 7. This is another example. This is a book of Scat Avarihans. Anyways, but this was not really applicable here. I mean, I don't see how we need to figure out. I mean, that'll be a little more complicated. For me, this one was a simpler method. Instead of taking each number and then subtracting it, because it's a huge number here, right? Subtracting this, and then the subtraction also won't be done because of this unknown entity. So okay, this is easy. You're just supposed to take the number divided by 7 and do this properly, and at this step you have to keep checking based on the options given. This is fine, right? It's an easier one. Okay, now the next question of this year was when a number is multiplied by 7, the product is just has 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, again, since the options are given, just take that into account and start multiplying them. Here I multiplied by 7, I got this, and then finally this was correct. And always solve the entire. I understand that these 3 will be eliminated, so only this will be remaining. But sometimes it might not be the case. Sometimes you probably would have made a mistake here. So always when you're taking the answer, when you're circling the OMR, always make sure that you're very confident about the answer. Now once I solve the entire thing, I'm very confident, and 2.5 marks for sure I'm getting, right? So please do solve the entire thing. And yeah, it was divisible, so that's so. Now 2020, this is the question. We need to find the remainder. Okay, what is the remainder when it's divided by 100? Now, as I think I've mentioned earlier as well, whenever this is given hundreds, then you can just take out the zeros, right, from 5 and 2. So that's what I've done here. I took out 5. See, all these numbers are not divisible by 2. Only 62 is divisible, right? So 62 can be written as 2 into 31. So there's 1 2, and 35 here can be written as 5 into 7. So 5 and 2, 1 0 is gone. Now it's only divisibility by 10. Now this is very easy. The reason why I took 10 and not 100 was now all you have to do is take the digits. Okay, now 1 into 7, as in, yeah, 1 into 7. Where have I done it? Yeah, here. So you don't have to multiply the entire number. All you have to do is 1 into 7. So that is 7. We just need the unit digits, because when you take any unit digits, if it's 9 divided by 10, the remainder is 9, right? If this is 19, let's say if you take 19, the remainder is 9. If you're taking 20, then remainder will be 0, right? But when we are dividing it by 10, lekin if you're taking any other number, then the remainder, whatever is the unit digit, that will be remainder when divided by 10. So that becomes very easy now. Thereby, yeah, so 51 into 27 gives me the unit digit as 7. Then I multiply it by 35, not 35 because I've taken out 10 over here, so that 5 goes now into 7. That gives me 9 as the unit digit. Then I've multiplied by, what did I multiply it by? Okay, yeah, 1 again, 31 ka 1, so 1 will be here into 9. 1 second. 1 into 9. So this gives me 9 as the unit digit. Then again, yeah, 75 here. 5 5s is 25, so 5 is the unit digit, into 5 will give me 9 5, so 45. Again, 5 is the unit digit, so the remainder is 5 when divided by 7, when divided by 10, sorry. Alright, 37th question was super easy. All you have to do is, when you're supposed to find the number of zeros you can only get when it's multiplied by 10. Okay, there's no other thing. Even 20 is basically 2 into 10, so you have to find 10. So always take this as a thing, whichever is the lowest m or n value, that is the number of zeros. That's it, super easy. The next one is, yeah, again, this was asked in 2020 and in 2022, correct? The smallest, we are supposed to find LCM in 2022. Sure, again LCM, because we need to find the one which is divisible by this. So now, since I know the concept, I didn't know it before. Like, I tried to solve each and every question and each and every option, but that was a waste of time. That's why PYQs are very important. You'll get to know the method, the good and the easier and the apt method, correct method. Anyways, nothing is correct, but yeah, the easier method. This is the one. We get the LCM as 60. Then we need above 1000, because everything is above 1000. So 60 into 20 gives me 1200. Then 19 will give me this. Then this into 17 gave me 1020, plus 2 gave me 1022. So that's how I find. You can also do minus 2, 1017, but that's not given, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it for 2020.